welcome to my first YouTube video. So I finally got to doing it after escaping and avoiding it for so many years. And with a good workout, we're going to start this also with a warm-up. So the first video is about some of the best warm-up moves that you can use for a full body warm-up. A warm-up is a way to prepare your body for the exercise you're going to be doing. Do not be lazy, do not skip warm-up. It's very, very important and beneficial for your body. Take 10 minutes before the workout to warm up so that you get the best out of your workout for the day. Now, dynamic warm-ups are way better than static stretches, which actually will lead to injury in your body, right? So we'll start with some dynamic warm-ups, one of the favorite ones I do. I'll show you and explain you along as we go, right? The first one, the simplest, everybody does, everybody knows it, the jumping jacks, right? Keep your legs together, arms together, jump out and go up. So either you can clap if you want or just cross it, bring it together and back down, right? So do it really quick as possible. Land on your toes and back. Don't jar and fall on your heels, right? So bring it together, land and up, right? So we'll do 10 together for you to understand. Let's go. In 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? That was your jumping jacks. Really good cardio movement to get you warmed up everywhere, full body, right? Next one is lunge and twist. As the name says, it's super simple. Start with a reverse lunge. So you lunge back and twist and up again. Lunge and twist and up. So what do you actually watch for here? When you're doing a lunge, you want to be landing far back so that your knee is at the same angle as your ankle. You do not want to do this. You do not want to do this, right? You're not going to load your knee to get up. So when you're getting up from a lunge too, you got in this position. Use your quads here, right? And your glute muscles to lift yourself up. Don't put the weight on your knee to get up. Wrong. You just enjoy your knee and not really warm up. Right. Again, do it together. Lunge, twist, up, lunge, and up. Right. That was your warm up number 2. Number 3, super simple. You can hold something if you need some support. We're going to do standing hip circles, hip rotations. Stand, bring your knee up to the level of your hip line. Rotate and back down, right? Up and down. So you're rotating from your hip joint and up. So you feel it through your hip joint and your glute muscles to lift it and back down. You can hold something. If you don't need balance, keep your arms. So you can keep 10 on each side, one leg, and then repeat on the other, right? You're landing on your toes and back up. Number 3, 4, again super simple, lateral swings. Hold something for balance if you need, or else arms on your waist, swing your leg out and back. Now remember, you don't have to do that. Nobody is getting help by it, right? You just lose balance and fall. Stand straight, find your grounding, roll your shoulders back, hip tucked in. You'll reach as far as you can go. I have hip mobility issues, so you can see it doesn't go far up and back. Wherever you reach, stretch and mindfully bring it back. Control the movement. Don't drop it. No. Wrong. Go up and down slow. Up and down slow. Same on the other side. Slow. Up and slow. 10 on each side. Right. While you're at this, let's do the next one, which is the front swings. How do we do this? Straight. Again, like we did lateral, which is on the side. We do front. Again, controlled movements and back. Use your quads. You'll feel it here. Right and down. Up and down. Controlled movements, guys. No. Nobody's competing here. We are not dancing here. We don't have to lift our legs up, right? So just control and back down. Up and back down. Same thing. Up and back down. Up and down. Right. Right, that's done. Now coming to nobody's favorite move, the burpee. Right, I'll show you 3 variations in this so you can choose which one works for you. Correct? So burpee, when done. Let's get prepared for it. So you jump up, land down, push back, down on your chest, up, legs up, back. That's your burpee. I'll break it down again. You're standing straight, jump up, land your hands almost between your feet or in front of it. Push your legs back, you're into a plank. You land down, right? Push yourself up, legs front again, and up. That's your burpee. Now doing this is hard. I'll give you a variation, which is a half burpee. You jump up, down, go to plank, come back and up, right? You can do this if going down, if you're a beginner, or if it's hard for you to go down and come up, right? If this is also hard, third variation, don't jump if you have knee, back issues. Stand, go down, step out, step in, and up. Right, so I'm going to do 2 reps of each of these variations, starting with the easiest to the hardest. Let's go. The burpee, the third variation which I just showed. Down, step out, step in, up, down, step out, step in, and up. Right, variation number 2. Jump, jump, and back. Jump, jump, and back. Right, number 3, the burpee as is usually done. Jump up, and that finished. And that were some of the favorite moves of my warm-up, which I use almost daily. Oh no, I forgot the last one, which is the inchworm. Let's go. I promise, last one for today. Simple. Stand straight. Now you'll go down. If you have the mobility in your hamstring, you can go straight. If you're like me, bend your knees a little bit. Crawl forward on your hands. All the weight is on your hands, right? You come into a plank. Don't let this happen. Don't let this happen. Your shoulder is above your wrist. Your core is nicely engaged, right? And walk back. Up. Crawl. Weight on your arms. Crawl back up. And the last one. And up. And that were my favorite warm-up moves. I'll soon come again, maybe with another video with some other workout moves that I really enjoy, and you can do it at your home. You don't need any equipment, so you don't have any excuses. So let's go and try these moves, and let me know what you think of that. So these were my favorite warm-up moves. Try it and tag me if you're doing it. Bye.